I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, we're taking a walk along the stunning beachfront of Cadaqués, Barcelona, in glorious 4 Kelvin resolution at 60 frames per second. As always, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel content. Cadaqués is a small coastal town in the northeast of Spain. One of the most beautiful sights in Cadaqués is the view of the town from the beach. The white buildings and the blue sea create a beautiful contrast, making it the perfect spot for taking photos and capturing memories. As we continue our walk, we come across a range of hidden gems, such as small coves, rocky beaches, and secluded spots.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
These are perfect spots to escape the crowds and enjoy the beautiful scenery in peace. One of the highlights of our walking tour is the stunning views of the Cadaqués National Park. This park is located just a short distance from the town and offers breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea and the Pyrenees Mountains. As we come to the end of our walking tour, we find ourselves back on the beach promenade. The sun is beginning to set, casting a beautiful golden glow over the town, and the sound of the ocean waves is the perfect accompaniment to our walk. So there you have it, my friends, a walking tour of the stunning beachfront of Cadaqués, Barcelona, in 4 Kelvin resolution at 60 frames per second. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy travels.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.